Never
ano
made
po
it
ba
as a
ang ganap,
wise
mga
man.
apo ko, mga
I
ka-surprise
couldn't cut it as a poor
Well,
man
ang ganap po
stealing.
is, believe it
Tired of
or
living
not,
like a
parang
blind
feeling ko,
man.
nagano
Sick
na
aside
naman po
without a
ako.
sense of
Nagmumurang kami.
feeling. And this is how
Bakit ko po
you
ba nasabi yan?
remind me.
Kasi po, umi-style na naman po ako. So,
This
yung
is
song
how
naman
you
po na,
remind
sure,
me of
gusto ko
what
na
I really am. This
Pero ngayon,
is how
parang to the next
you
level na naman po
remind
yung
me
naghahanap.
of what I really am. It's not like you,
Pero
so
ito po
sorry.
talaga
I was waiting on a different story. This time I'm mistaken for handing you a heart worth breaking. And I've been wrong, I've been down, been to the bottom of every bottle. These spot words in my head scream, "Are we having fun yet?" Yeah, 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 no, no, yeah,
So, ayun po yung kaya. Umi-style na naman po ako. Ayan, ganyan. And, hindi lang po yun. May chika pa po ako sa inyo mga surprise. Kung medyo napansin nyo, sabi pinakita itong kabayo eh, no? I'm sorry guys, hindi po ito flexing video. What do you call this? May bago po akong chika mga ka-surprise. Pag aging po pala tayo, talagang ang lips natin is ano siya, tawag dito. Well, not everybody, but most of us, gano'n na. Talagang pumapangit na yung lips. Kaya ang ginawa ko, mga surprise, mga apo, I really have to cover it. Ayan. So, kinover ko siya. Ito nga yung tinatawag nilang MLBB. My lips but better color. Sorry guys, di pa ako nakapag-toothbrush. Medyo yellowish pa yung teeth ko. But anyway, so yun po yung chika, tawag dito, medyo kailangan na naman po natin pumorma. It's not because nagpapatweetams po ako sa kung kanino man. It is because, I think, work-related na may kaharap ako laging mga clients and everything. So, I need to look my, what do you call this? Alive. Para bang ganun mga surprise. So, ayun lang po hindi ko na papahabain yung video. Ayan. Etong long back ko na lang po yung papahabain ko. And puputulin ko na po mga surprise.